Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to create Elevate brain training account. After downloading the Elevate application, all we have to do is to open this application. Here we will find these two buttons. If you have already a member, so all you have to do is to sign in, but now we are going to show you how to create an account. So we will click on get started. Here it gives you some details of the application, so you can just click on skip, or you can read uh, the advantages of this application. Now they will give us the specific things that we want to do with the application. So now just click yes or no, depends on your choices. Like here they are asking us if we want to strengthen our focus while reading use this application, because it is an application that will improve your cognitive skills. So I will just click yes on everything, and then they will give us a little test, a language test, and we will answer it. So let's get started, and just click like that. Uh, 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 uh. After answering these questions, just take your time, do not rush yourself, and then they will give us some IQ. And as you can see, this is the scoring and its mark. As you can see, we have a score of uh, each skill in this test. Then you just finish setting up, and here where we create our account. Either you can associate your account with the following applications, or just uh, add your email or another email without using the Google application, and you will have your uh, account that has been created. So those are the steps to create an account in application of Elevate Brain Training. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.